you make a ramp? Okay. Good morning, guys. We are doing a day in the life with my second grader today. He's been getting up and getting ready for the day, doing his morning jobs, and now he has a little bit of free time to play while I get myself ready. So I'm ready now. So we're gonna do some school next. Do you want to do some school? Maybe. Okay. Morning time is what we start with. And unfortunately, his sister is sick today. So we're going to be able to just focus on him and the 5-year-old today. So, all right, let's go. Cal's favorite nights? Oh, I don't know.
3 musketeers.
Ah.
3 musketeers.
Oh, musketeers. Nice. Jobs? Nice. Okay, so we're not doing Saturday. Okay. So check off Monday. Nice job. High five. Ow. Also, today's video is a collab with my 2 wonderful friends, Yasmin at Mommy on the Move and Jill at That Homeschool Life with Jill. They are wonderful ladies. I love learning from them. Jill has an awesome decluttering channel and a homeschool channel. And Yasmin is all about being a busy mom and sharing her journey with her 4 wonderful kiddos. So go check them out after you watch my video. So we have been doing the Hidden in My Heart challenge, where we memorize scriptures each week with all our friends. I'll link to the info for that in the description box, but I send out verses each week and some copy work pages. So these are, Alden's going to show you his copy work pages. So this is what he does each week for our verses. So we're going to review. This week is a review week. So, let's start here. Okay, so Alden, you ready? Hebrews 4:12. For the
word of God is living and active, sharper than any two-edged sword, piercing through the soul and the spirit, intents of the heart.
Hebrews 4:12. Nice job. Wow. Okay. Next one. Do you remember the next one? Psalm 119, 9 and 11. How can
your word
with my
whole heart I seek you.
Let me not
wander from your commandments. I have stored up in my heart.
I stored up your
word in my heart, that I might not sin against you. In the beginning was the Word. The Word was with God, and the Word was God. And He was in the beginning with God.
Okay.
No, there's this. And in another one.
Oh, Gideon.
There's Gideon and Deborah.
And then Samson. Do you want to read Samson too?
Yeah.
Okay, we can read all 3 of those. That's fine. Okay, a brave new leader. In the years after Joshua, the Israelites settled in many parts of Canaan, but they still did not have all the land that God had promised them. As time went by, they forgot their duty to God. They did not live by the rules. So have we heard of the prophets before? Alden? What prophets do we know about? So who did we just read about? Who was a prophet? I'll give you a hint. Moses. So Moses was one of the first prophets. Deborah is a prophet as well. So what does it mean that they're a prophet? What does that mean?
They believe in God.
They what?
They believe in God.
They do believe in God, but what does God do to the prophets? What's special about them? All right, let's go downstairs. Come on, Corbin, let's go. Okay, now it's time for individual lessons. So we finished morning time, and we're gonna just knock off some math and reading lessons, and that's it. That's not too fancy. you doing school on my desk? Oh, bummer. And a break. So he works on a few things that he can do by himself while I work with mostly his brother or his sister, depends on what's going on that day. But today I'm going to work with the kindergartner while he works on his individual work. He does Explode the Code. So he does a page or two in Explode the Code. And then he does his word cards for All About Reading. And then he does, oh, and then he writes a sentence in his grammar book. So those are the things he does on his own.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.
Set, go.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feel it. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And what does that say?
Oi.
Good.
Oi, oi.
Yeah,
Oi,
oi as in boy. Oi as
This one's in the middle, not
noise. Or oil. Yeah, noise or oil. Okay. We have 2 new word cards today, don't we? These are kind of tricky. So let's do this one first. It says aw, that we may use at the end. Okay, it's at the end of English words, okay? So aw as in saw. You say aw as in saw.
Did you put an S there?
Yes, I put an S there. It says saw. Say ah as in.
As in saw.
Good, and it's at the end of English words, usually. Okay, not always, but usually you'll find it at the end. Okay. Then we
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
now we have word cards. Okay. These go right along with what we just learned. Okay. Hold on, I gotta.
Pause. Yawn. Saw. All. August.
Good.
Talk. Walk. Drop. Press.
Good. Okay. So now,
And.
yes, some people say aunt. My aunt Meg enjoys oysters.
No, it's not ma. It's Aunt Meg.
Oh, Aunt Meg. Or, well, what I'm saying is the reason it's A-U is a lot of people say aunt. My aunt Meg. Aunt Meg enjoys oysters.
What are oysters?
Oysters are like clams and they come from the ocean. Okay, but we in our version of English we say aunt, like aunt.
Point.
Not oint. It's not oi, it's ah. So you could say aunt if you wanted to, and that would be correct. So aunt.
Who's my aunt?
Okay, Aunt Leslie. Our math lessons come from Kate Snow, Math with Confidence. We're doing the 2nd grade version, which isn't printed yet. We're in the pilot testing group. So our all our lessons are printed out and in a printable PDF download. So I'm gonna do the lesson from the computer, but I printed out his worksheet for him. I'm gonna pull out our whiteboard and some money cards that I have from our Right Start math set, and we're gonna do some math next. Count backwards from 137, just a few numbers. So start at 137 and count backwards.
137, 136, 137, 136, 135, 134, 133, 132.
Okay, that's good. That's good. A farmer's market selling fruits and vegetables. What would you sell? What kind of fruits and vegetables would you sell?
Tomatoes.
Oh, Corbin would sell tomatoes.
I would sell.
What would you sell?
Tomatoes, cheese, and lettuce. I would sell.
Cheese too? Okay.
I would sell.
What kind of?
I would sell tomatoes and pasta.
All right. One customer pays you with these bills. Okay. Have a seat. Salespeople usually follow 3 steps when a customer gives them money. So here, sir, I just bought all your cheese and your lettuce. Okay. So this helps them count quickly. So first you're gonna sort them by 10s, 5s, and 1s. So put your 10s in a pile.
20.
Or no, don't count them yet. Just put them in a pile. Oh, then you're skipping ahead. All right, we are done with our individual seat work, right? Done with lessons, pretty much done with school. We do have to do, we should do read alouds today. We haven't had time for it yet. We're going to get some lunch ready, and then we have to get ready to go to karate class. So that is what we gotta do for this episode. We are back from karate. I totally forgot to film going there and even I was gonna film a little bit of it and I totally forgot. I was just trying to get there on time and get everybody to karate. So he did karate and I took my little one to the library while we waited for him. And we came back and had a little snack and did quiet time. They're finishing up with watching a Superbook episode on Gideon, which is the Bible story that we read this morning in morning time. So I thought that was a nice way to round out the afternoon. So thanks for joining us today. I'm Ashley, if we haven't met yet, here at Joyful Noise Learning. Thank you so much if you're joining me here from Jill and Yasmin's videos. I would love for you to consider to join me for this journey. I love to talk about the joy in the chaos of life, and mostly a lot of Charlotte Mason homeschool and affordable homeschooling. So we hope to see you in the next video, and I will talk to you guys soon.
No, I don't mean a dog's favorite waffles.
What's a dog's favorite waffles? I don't know.
Waffles.
Woofles. Oh, so